Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable to auto resend messages in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do this, go ahead and click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then click on Settings on the top right hand side, click on this gear looking icon and then scroll a bit down. After you scroll a bit down, you can find Chats. Go ahead and tap on Chats and then you can see the send or auto resend option. So Line Messenger will automatically attempt to resend the unsent messages for a certain period of time if this function is enabled. So if you don't want this function and want to disable or enable it, you can just go ahead and click on this button and it will be disabled or enabled with a single touch. So you can find this function over here. Go to Home, click on Settings and scroll a bit down, and under General there is Chats. Go ahead and tap on Chats and you can see the auto resend option. Go ahead and enable it if you want this function, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.